Dear my dear students, welcome to my class. So we had gone through many geopolitical regions in Asian parts, then Europea, sorry, not Europea, Europea, sorry, Europe, Asia, Europe, and Africa. So geopolitical region already explained a lot about different factors, different different things, different culture, the different difference in geography, difference in climate. I mean, geography means the physical geography. So we already said uh, there is a major fact that is connected with what the Asian what Asian diaspora, that is Asia's geography and Asia's climate, and that tourism importance. So in this region, sorry, in this session, we are discussing what primarily about Central Asia. It is one of the major region in Central Asia. See that what is that notation? Yes, Central Asia. Yes. So this is our Central Asia. Fine. Central Asia. That yes, Central Asia, and different things that is connected with the Central Asia. How the factors are connecting, right? How the things are related. How the Central Asia's geography. What are the major climatic and geographical factors connected with the Central Asia's geography? So again, I'm repeating, please go through the notes that I am already provided and respond for my my videos. You can ask your doubts and you can quote your doubts, and definitely I will clear your doubts. Fine. So there are few divisions that what are the major countries of Central Asia. So these are the map. Fine. This is the map of Central Asia. Fine. How the yes, how the Central Asia's map is connected. Fine. This is the that green color. That is the Central Asia's map. Fine. See, I will. Excuse me. Yes, please. Yes, this red color mark, that is the part that is connected with the that location of Central Asia. I said that is some kinds of difference between the North Asia and Central Asia, and we already gone through that video. This clearly mentioned that the major factor that Central Asia or North Asia, in the North Asia, it is a major part that is a cold desert. Fine, it's a cold desert. Fine, okay. So let us go through the major part. Yes, yes, please, yes. That Central Asia, okay, Central Asia. So these are the basic details regarding the basic. See, you just go through my notes. Fine. I will explain so many details. These are the major countries. That is Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. That are the major countries. See, these are the major countries that including the Kazakhstan, then yes, please wait. Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. See, I think we people definitely we will use this terminology, something like for teasing, fine. See, these are the major countries, fine. Then what are the areas and all those things? It is clearly mentioned, fine. Let me go through the other details. See, this is the map official that is part of some kinds of, yes, kinds of things, some geographical things. Let us go through the what geographical factors. Let us wait. These are the climate, fine. So let us see. uh, in that one in this Central Asia, there is a cold desert climate. See, this color represent the what the Central Asia's climate. So that this color, this represent the cold desert. Then cold semi-arid climate was there. Then warm Mediterranean climate. That yellow color, warm continental climate or humid continental climate. Then temperate continental climate, humid continental climate, warm continental climate, or Mediterranean climate, temperate continental climate. See, in that one, that livable area, or that is good for human human settlement. That is very little. That is the major major what major or important part of this what the Central Asia's properties, right? See, these are the map. It's what is that historical map? This shows the historical. Let us go through some pictures, right? Some, yes, some important facts that is connected with the Central Asia. Some important pictures, right? Okay, let us go back to the major facts. Uh, See, these are the some historical regions that is connected with this place, right? Bactria, some kinds of, see, these are the historical regions, fine. Yes, fine. These are the major details that is connected with this. See, you what you people definitely give importance to the tourism factors and the geographical factors. This is also one of the map that shows certain factors, geographical factors, that is connected with the uh, what Central Asia, right? Yes. These are the major cities. Uh, what that is connected with this what Central Asia, right? Now let us go through some geographical, right? That geography part of this Central Asia. Wait. Yes, Central Asia, right? What are the geographical factors, right? So in this geographical factors, I already said it is clearly something something very cold, right? Very cold in this nature, right? These are the major geographical things. The world's northernmost desert, sand dunes, it is in Mongolia, fine. Turkmenistan, the mountains. The Central Asia is extensively large region of varied geography, including high passes and mountain and deserts, dune, right? These are the geographical that factors, right? Let us, right? The geographical, what? Geographical things, right? please go through the yes, please. See, these are the geographical details. Please read this part and you will understand lots of factors. Central Asia is extensively large region of varied geography, including high passes. Right, this blue color, that is the major geographical details. Right. Wait. Yes, so these are the geographical details. Fine. Please go through the major that mountain, Tian Shan Desert, Kasikum, that is in Turkmenistan, then Eurasian steppe, fine. And so these are the major geographical geography, major point of attraction, that is mountain, Tian Shan Desert, Izyalkum, Turkmenistan, and especially treeless steppe. It is one of the some kinds of grassland, Eurasian steppes, of the land, Central Asia, too large that Gobi Desert. It is one of the important desert, and there is Pamir, Pamir Knot. It is one of the important peak. Then Great Hinghan, and the world's northernmost desert, that sand dunes at Bung Din, it's Mongolia. The northern hemisphere's southernmost permafrost. Permafrost means it is something a land area covered with the ice. Fine. Then the world's shortest distance between non-frozen desert, and then the Eurasian pole of inaccessibility. Inaccessibility means something that mentioned about cold desert. So this is enough for the Central Asia. And yes, please go through the details, and you should ask your doubts. Fine. And please go through the notes that I already provided, and definitely you can ask your doubts. I will clear your doubts, and thanks for watching. Please ask your doubts, right? Anyway, thank you. Thanks for watching.